Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to send pictures with password in WhatsApp. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to send a password protected photo or images to WhatsApp chat. As you can see right now, I'm in a WhatsApp chat and here's I've already sent it a password protected image. As you can see, after entering the password, I can view the image. And let's see how to send this type of photos. First of all, we have to convert the image to PDF and then we will lock the PDF. So go to your browser and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Once you are in your browser, simply search for photo to PDF converter. And here you will find lots of websites where you can easily generate your photo to PDF. So we are going to use this first option or first website. Here just tap on select JPG images. And now from your gallery, select your image, tap on add, tap on convert to PDF. And as you can see, I've successfully converted my image to a PDF file. Now just tap on download PDF, download. And now I'm going to my file manager, going to downloads folder. And here is the PDF. I just converted from a photo. Okay. Now it's time to password protect this PDF. To do that, again go to your browser and again search for password protect PDF and and the same way you can use any website from here. I'm going to opening this smallpdf.com, tap on choose files and here tap on media picker. And now here is the PDF I just converted. So I'm selecting the PDF and as you can see, it's converting. And now in this password box, simply generate a password for your PDF. Confirm the password here. Tap on protect. And then just download the password protected PDF file and that's it. Now you have to open your WhatsApp, go to a chat, tap on this paperclip, tap on document, and now you have to select the password protected document, tap on send. And now if I try to open this, as you can see, it's asking for the password. So I'm typing the password, done, and after that my image is visible. So this is how we can send password protected image in WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.